club coming through.
Good, yeah, how the club goes through the golf ball as it's going backwards and forwards. Okay? That dictates the direction of the golf ball. Okay? Anybody pull a golf ball?
I have. Yeah,
Okay? Anybody
absolutely.
push a golf ball?
Yeah.
Okay, that's all dictated by club head path. Okay? Position of the club face. Hopefully by now everybody kind of knows club face position. Okay, there's 3 of them. There's 3 different positions. What are they?
Open, closed.
Open, closed.
Straight.
The one that you don't know. The one that you never do. Is square.
Square.
Okay, so that's when the club face is pointing at your target or what you're aiming for.
Now I
And which
know.
one-
You go home now.
And which one are you?
You go home now. No one ever told you that.
Mark's like, why are you calling me out like that in front of everybody?
Okay, so if your ball curves, whether it curves to the left or to the right, a hook, slice, again, we've all had that. Unfortunately, it's going to happen as we hit golf balls. That's what dictates how the ball is going to spin, left, right, or if it's square, it's going to go fairly straight. Okay? Angle of approach. Everybody know what that means? Angle of
Yeah,
approach.
how you coming down on the ball
Yeah,
with the
very
club.
good. Yeah, how that club face or the club head is going into the golf ball. Is it steep? Is it shallower? Okay, that's going to dictate the flight of the golf ball. Okay, so if you're coming in a little bit steeper,
It's going to go higher, right?
yeah, why would it go higher? What does that club face do to the golf ball to allow it to go higher if we're going in a little bit steeper?
Him down on it.
Okay, but what does that do to the golf ball itself?
Throws it off and up.
Yeah, why does it go higher?
Backspin.
Yeah, good. Okay, so the steeper that angle gets, the more backspin the club face is going to put on the golf ball, and then you tend to get the ball a little bit higher. Okay, anybody hit a little golf ball? Sometimes. Anybody top a golf ball?
Oh, yeah. I'm good at that.
That's not a fair question.
I can get training on that.
So yeah, throughout my lessons, I do see people top the golf ball. Okay, now it's something you're doing with your body, but as far as the club face or the head of the club, it's coming in very shallow. Okay, so instead of hitting more at the bottom of the club face, you're hitting more of the middle portion or the top of the ball. Okay, it's just coming a little bit shallower. So again, that's angle of approach. Okay, of the club head. Centerness of contact. What does that mean? Self-explanatory. Okay, so I don't know if you ever pay attention to the club face itself when you're playing a round of golf, or if you're practicing hitting golf balls at the driving range. Anybody look at their club?
Yeah.
Continue to look at their club?
Where it hits.
Yeah, see where the golf balls make, where it makes contact on the club face? Again, the centerness of contact, to utilize this club and get the full potential out of it, we've got to hit the center of it. Okay? Which is right there. Okay? If we're mishitting it, we're maybe hitting it more off the toe. Yeah, again, we all do this.
Yeah.
We can't hit we're not pros, because we don't do it for a living. So we're going to get those mishits. Okay, so sometimes we're going to hit off the toe, sometimes we're going to hit off the heel. How does that affect the golf ball itself? What does it do differently? Okay, yeah, it could. It could cause it to spin, again, depending on club face position, whether it's open or closed. Okay. If we hit it off the toe, we're going to lose quite a bit of distance.
Yep.
Okay? We're going to lose on average anywhere from like 15 to 20 yards. Okay, same thing when it's off the heel. We're losing that distance. Okay, so again, I get a lot of questions. How come I don't hit the golf ball? I hit all my golf clubs the same distance. Well, one reason is centerness of contact. Okay, they're not consistently hitting that golf ball in the middle of the club face. Okay, it's tough. Okay, you're moving multiple parts of your body, and then you're trying to hit the golf ball with this little face. It's almost the same size, it practically is. So finding the center of the club face is difficult to do.
It's almost not fair.
I agree. Okay, and then club head speed. Okay, pretty self-explanatory.